Namaskar. Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle, an activity of Swatantravir Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Dadar, Mumbai. Here we are going to discuss about preparatory batch for various competitive examinations. So it may be UPSC Civil Services Examination, it may be CDS, that is Combined Defense Services Examination, then NDA, that is National Defense Academy Entrance Test, then IIT JEE, NEET, that is NEET, and variety of such competitive examinations. For these competitive examinations, whatever the fundamental things are there, we are going to prepare it. So this batch is not intended for any specific competitive examination, but in general, whatever the basic things are there, that how to answer the questions, what are the types of question, particularly MCQ type question, that is multiple choice question. So multiple choice questions are there, how to answer them, then practice of such type of exam, that is focused here. So this course is of total duration, that is of 50 hours. So it will start at 15th of April and end at 15th of May. The second batch will start at 15th of May and end at 15th of June. So total 2 batches are there for this preparatory, that is fundamental course. Now, what are the topics we are going to cover? The fundamentals of history, geography, then physics, chemistry, biology, economics, political science, simple arithmetics, data interpretation, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, simple arithmetics. So these topics we are going to cover, but only at fundamental level. Now, apart from that, we will have total 3 tests in this. The test number 1 will be conducted after 15 days of the classes. So sufficient data is there with the student, and with that we are conducting out first test. Test is important, only MCQ type question, but what is the most important thing? That is the analysis of that test. So here we are carrying out analysis of this test. After this analysis, after 8 days, student will face second test, that is second MCQ type test. Usually these tests, they are there of 25 marks, 25 questions will be there. So portion for first test plus second test added. Now at the end of course, there will be after end of course, there will be third test, which is of 100 marks, MCQ type only, because first test, that is there to just understand how test is there, how the questions are asked, how to answer that question. That's why again I am telling you that explanation and analysis of that question paper is more important. So here, after getting knowledge of first test and analysis of first test, student is going to appear for second test, and after checking out, say, what are the strategies we have to use for test, the third test is there after end of the course. So total 3 tests are there, 25 marks each, 2 tests, and final test will be of 100 marks. Right answer will carry +1 mark, wrong answer will carry -1 marks. Now, what is the criteria? Who can join this batch? Answer: school students from 8th standard till college going any student can appear for this course, because this is fundamental course. So if you want to prepare for UPSC Civil Services, National Defense Academy, or any such competitive examination, you can join this course. Or if you don't want to do that, but want to get better marks or better thing in academics, then also this course is useful. Suppose a student is school going student, then that student will get clear knowledge of fundamentals. Say here in Sanskrit, two different words are there. That is Vidyarthi and Pariksharthi. The one who is oriented for examination only, that is called as Pariksharthi. And one who is oriented to get knowledge, that is called as Vidyarthi. We are focusing this batch to get knowledge, to create Vidyarthi rather than Pariksharthi. So it's very, very clear from our side that we are giving a fundamental level guidance for the student that will generate idea how to study. A particular topic is there, how to study that topic, then note making skill, because we are teaching here how to prepare the notes, how to make tabular form, tree diagram like structure, or simply descriptive type of writing. So these things are considered here. So student will get knowledge of making notes. Now, after this completion of course, we have one more facility for you. If you want to join our class as a regular basis, say for example, we are conducting out classes for UPSC Civil Services examinations, Combined Defense Services examination, National Defense Academy entrance test, and Maharashtra Public Service Commission Civil Services exam. So for that purpose, we have this type of classes. So if you are going for preparatory batch, you are completing out preparatory batch, and you are joining our main class, then two types of discounts we are giving. The number one, whatever you have paid the fees for preparatory batch, that entire amount will be deducted from the course fee of main batch. That is the first discount. And second discount, that is based on marks you obtained in the final test of preparatory batch. So if your just chart is there in front of you, your marks are between 50 to 60. Rather, I should say 59. So 50 to 59 marks, you will get 5% discount in the fees. If 60 to 69, double of previous one, that is 10% discount. 279, double of previous, that is 20% discount. 80 to 89, double of previous, that is 40% discount, 40. And finally, if you are crossing 90 plus, then 100% discount in the fees of main batch. That is the plus advantage of this course. Now, what is the fees you have to pay for this course? That is 5,000 rupees inclusive of GST. So, 1 month duration, daily 2 hours class, Sunday will be holiday. But on requirement, we may call student for more time also. Because whatever we are prescribing hour, that is 50 hours, they are minimum. May be possible 5 hours plus or minus, usually plus, that is going to take place. So this course will be very, very useful to create idea in the mind that how to study, what points we have to remember, how to understand the topic, and for that purpose this course is useful. So I hope with this much of knowledge, you can definitely say cell phone number is highlighted over here. You can call on this cell phone number, or the best thing I would suggest you that just send your name, WhatsApp your name. You will get automatic response about other information of this examination. And more important thing, if you want to discuss anything, please WhatsApp on this number. Don't call, WhatsApp on this number and take appointment. You can come personally here on this address given here. I am highlighting address once again here. So you can come personally with prior appointment and we can discuss further. Thanks for observing this video.